Alpha Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach for now. The wind is 350 degrees, 4 knots. You're following a 747 down, caution wave turbulence, so did switch. I'll be crossing them before I can get you down.
Which is mom?
Is that here, Bravo? Well, I'll continue.
I just came from there.
Lufthansa 470, good job, sir. Exit first right turn, and then cross runway 24 right, best speed. Right turn, crossing 24 right, thanks for that, Lufthansa 24 at Lufthansa 470. Route 1911, approaching the NOAA runway 24 right. Route 1911, heavy tower, continue approaching up to a beach class at 3 miles wide. Route 1911. Georgian 7348, line up runway 23. Line up 23, Georgian 7348. Lufthansa 470, join taxiway Delta, contact ground 121.9. Good job, choose for ground 121.9, bye now. P1 then on Delta, Route 1911, okay? Axis 627, confirm you, I see you're going via Quebec there, sir, so you can keep taxiing forward and via Quebec, line up runway 23, disregard the visual. Okay, line up runway 23, let's it.
How is it? How are you doing? I'm good, how are you?
Axis 627, wind 360 degrees 8 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 23. Clear for takeoff, up 3 left, 77. Canada 149, departures 128.8, goodbye. 28.8 meters. Power west at 706, visual 24 right. Ship 706, Tower, continue approach. West at 706. Canada 458, Tower, line up runway 23. Line up 23 here, Canada 458. Still good for the NAP1. Do I say that last one again? Yeah, we put the request for the NAP1. We're still good for that for the noise. ASAP say that's fine for the noise. Hi. West at 1245, ground's 1219, yeah. Nice, on west at 1245.
23, yeah. Yeah, it's like, yeah, that's good. Yeah, exactly. It's very hot, unbelievable.
West 706, winds calm, clear to land, runway 248. Clear to land 248, West 706. Yeah, 650 is what's your final for 24 right. Jet 650, target 837, short final, winds 320 at 2, clear to land, runway 248. Go ahead, Jet 650. 360 at 10 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 23. Takeoff, reach. Canada 418, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23 here, Canada 418.
Charlie 4, Delta 4 to Delta, contact ground 119. Delta 4, Delta 219, West 706.
Hello, Jet 7291, this is with you, clear the visual, 24 right.
Air Canada 418, winds 350 at 8, clear for takeoff, runway 23.
Clear for takeoff, 23 here, Canada 418.
Air Shuttle 6197, short delay for traffic crossing. Better. Not cleared for takeoff, runway 23.
Takeoff 23, Shuttle 6197.
Is that Jet 332, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23. Line up runway 23, is that check 332. south side winds are calm.
Okay, thanks.
Gotcha.
However, as I'm saying that, we just lost our indicator on the south side. The north winds are 310 at 6 knots.
Okay, thank you.
Sunwing, really?
Jazz 650, Charlie 4 to Delta 4, contact ground 1219. Delta 4, Delta 4, and 219, Jazz.
What is that? Over there in the air.
Jordan 7291, exit Charlie 2 and contact ground 119.
Let me see, what is
Hey, Jordan 9, Jordan 7291, thanks.
Coming 752, wind 330, 5 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 23.
Clear for takeover, runway 23, downwind 752.
Jet 332, contact departure 1288. Okay.
We'll catch it.
28, good jet 3.
Air Canada 119, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up on 23, Air Canada 119.
Run. I can't be serious. Telling you.
Hotel Air Canada 1038, ILS 248. And 1038, Toronto Target 8, caution turbulence 767, 2 miles final. South winds are currently inoperable, north winds are showing 310 at 6 knots. Clear to land, runway 248. Clear to land, Air Canada 1038, thanks.
What is coming? What's that 767?
Air Canada 119, winds 310 at 7, clear for take.
No, it's going south.
Push to 279, exit Charlie 4 and turn right Delta 4, contact ground 1219, get it? Hey, Charlie 4, that's Delta, you said 219, 279. It'll be Delta 4 to Delta, cut the corner there. Delta 4 to Delta, okay.
Line up and wait to Georgia, runway 23, Georgia, Smith Street.
Just stopped, Noah. You're, forward. Yeah, 034 Heavy Tower, caution turbulence, 67 line of the head, winds 160 at 2 knots, clear to land, runway 248. Clear to land, protect Air Canada 034. Jordan 7407, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up and wait only, runway 23, Georgia, 74.
Cruise 7089, exit Charlie 4, right on Delta 4, right again Delta, contact ground 1219. 4 over Delta and 21 Irish, 7089. Get a wind check, please. 170 at 3 knots. Jordan 7407, wind 170 at 3 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 23.
Line up and wait to 3, Air Canada 1127.
42.
Yeah, 753, we'll probably have to wait for heavy traffic about 5.5 final, at least 220 knots, and objecting yet. Okie doke, we'll hold here, Canada 753.